their pharmacy is what I don't think. So guys, it is what it is already in the morning. So over of what he bought, the panda fish, he divided it inside. Talk am again now. Badawa. That's Badawa. Yes, Badawa.
What's up with transfer?
Eh?
Transfer.
I don't know now. Ask them. This thing. Their pharmacy is what I don't think they receive transfer. They always request for cash. As in mobile no bag there. So guys, we are in the health center. Kobe is making payments. They said they'll give her injection. So more like her going to school this week has been cancelled. So that I'll take time and take care of her. This one. Just want to do some laundry. So guys, it is what it is already in the morning. Hubi stepped out and helped me go and buy ingredients for soup. I'll be making a goosey soup, and I was able to steam my meat and fish, as you can see. So over here, okay, this one is a goosey. This one is panda fish. Panda fish. This one is stockfish. So guys, this is just more like the summary of what he bought. The panda fish, egusi, stockfish, ugu leaf, and then crayfish, and of course pepper, fresh pepper over here. He divided it. He said I should use all this for the soup, that the pepper does not pepper. So this is what I'll be using for the soup. When a man buys something, you will know. They always buy in big. Okay, but I will still use all the egusi, because if I make a big soup, I will put in the freezer. As you can see, we just got back from the hospital. I want to quickly start making this soup now before my baby wakes up. They gave her 3 injections, 2 on one lap, then 1 on the other lap, and it's for 2 days. We'll still go for tomorrow on. Like this morning we woke up, it became worse. The skin reaction or allergy became worse, so we just have to, even that's why hubby did not go to work today. So thankfully that we even later went to the hospital. Okay, they said it's fungal infection. I think that there are traces of it in her blood system. I think it's just this first week that they resumed, because there has never been a time that they resumed school. Even with Excel initially, after first week of resumption, Excel will get sick. Some parents will not treat their children. They'll just carry them with sickness and come and be infecting other kids. And you can't avoid it. You cannot just avoid it. But it's fine. My happiness and my prayer is that she gets herself. Obviously, this week I've cancelled her going to school. More like there's a cream. I'll still show you guys the medicine they give her. It's government hospital. So imagine if we have gone to the hospital I use when I'm giving birth to them, which is a private hospital. The drugs alone is 20,000. Then the test is 5,000. That's 25,000 for health center. So imagine if I go to private hospital, how much it will be. So that's it. But I just thank God. The most important thing is for her to get well, because the itchy reaction is not really making me happy. Even if me as an adult, something is itching me on my body, I will feel restless. But thankfully, I pray this works. So yeah, that's it guys. I want to quickly start prepping this soup now, because we don't have soup at home. Okay, now talk to you guys later. Bye. I still went to school, so basically this week she'll go to school alone. Yesterday she came back and was like, "Oh, Chidi mom, see my baby." I know she will miss her a lot. Anyways, not wasting time. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. It's always vibes on vibes here on Juice Castle. Please do what and hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Okay, yeah, I love you. Okay, and also give this video a massive thumbs up for me. All right, help me share. I would appreciate that. To my returning viewers, subscribers, and supporters, I love you all. Thank you, and thank you. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye. Better video as you come dey cook for me now. I just say I no sabi cook again, but I've prepped everything. We are cooking egusi soup for, or rather, my husband is cooking egusi soup. He said I should shift. Mr. Chef man. You say you've been the cook for interstate. Yeah? say say it again now. Now this time around now people go see you. Talk am again now. This is my husband. Say him dey cook for interstate. You don't hear? I be say he remain make him and Dabasi do inter competition. So guys, it has been a heck from weekend. Today is Tuesday. So I want to show you guys the hair I made for Excel before I start getting old. You see, very nice hair. I just tasked myself during the weekend. Turn iffy. You see how lovely it looks. We're about to go sleep, so and see Auntie Picky Picky, the one I made for her. I also tasked myself, even though this week she has not really been feeling strong. Okay, like I said, sorry I had to use my hand to block her. She's just wearing diaper, but I hope you understand. And of course, our soup is ready. Okay, there is no light, so I did not put it in the freezer. You leave that wall. So guys, it has been what it is. Probably maybe tomorrow I'll show you guys the soup. I was so tired and exhausted today. After eating, I just went and slept. I'm waking up. It's now evening already, so yeah, it's night as of the time I'm making this particular section of this video. So we're about to go and sleep so that I'll be able to wake up early as usual to get Excel ready for school, since Joanne's going to school this week has been cancelled automatically because of her ill health. But thankfully, me going to the hospital was very, very important and necessary, and I can see the effect. So yeah, probably in my next video I will show you guys the drugs we bought for her, and tomorrow we'll be going to take the second injection for her. My baby is now fine, just that we don't want to rush her to go to school, and I also want the rashes on her body to clear, at least to some extent. Probably if she stays at home throughout this week, by next week highest maybe it's just the spot. But if she has good skin like mine, and everybody's skin is not the same thing, if she has good skin like mine, it will fade away before next week Monday. So it's just Excel that is going to school throughout this week. Anyways, that being said, like I said, we're about going to sleep. Heat is too much. Heat is too much. Anyways, have a very good night rest, okay? Ciao ciao.